Hey everyone, I'm Sourabh Bhatt. In this video, I'll talking about 5 amazing ways to make money while studying in the college.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
You might be in the first year of college, second year of college, or third year of college, or maybe in the fourth year of college. You are able to make money, a very decent amount of money, while studying in the college. You can manage your traveling costs and so many other things by your own knowledge, by your own help. So do make sure you watch this video till the very end, because in the end I will be talking about an amazing opportunity, an amazing way that will help you to earn more than $1,000 per month right from your home. So the very first place to make money in the college while studying in the college is by getting into the internships. Infosys chairperson Sudha Murthy once said, if you are in your early 20s, then you must keep exploring which area, which domain is a better fit for you. So getting internships in the college will be a great boost that we can give to our career. So if you are in a college, then you must apply for internships, not only paid one. If you are getting knowledge, a better knowledge than a paid internship, then do opt for unpaid one also. You must exploring which internship, which particular domain will be a better fit for you. So for example, if you like designing, then you can apply for graphic designing internships, thumbnail designing internships, so many internships related to graphic designing. It will help you to become a pro into that particular area, or it will also help you to grow to become a professional graphic designer. And if you are interested in coding, in software engineering, in data science, then you must apply for these internships also, either from online or from offline. I myself have done 2 internships in data science. I did both as an unpaid intern, but whatever knowledge I am getting from those internships is very precious. No doubt that knowledge is helping me in a very better way. So unpaid internships are also good. So do apply for all kinds of internships. There are lots of websites available on the internet which can help you to get internships either offline or online. Go online and search for internships and do opt for internships. It will help you to make money in your college, a very decent amount of money. So I have also provided some links in the description. Do make sure you check them out. The second place to make money in the college is by getting started into freelancing. If you have a very good knowledge in a particular skill, then you can service your skill on freelancing websites like Freelance, Upwork, and so many other freelancing sites. You can service your skill and charge according to your work. So for an example, if you are a better into graphic designing, then you can create Instagram posts and so many graphic designing things. You can make infographics, you can design thumbnail, posters, and so many graphic designing things. You can earn more than as a regular intern by getting started into freelancing. So basically you are just distributing your knowledge, distributing your service, distributing your skill, and making yourself more improved in that particular skill. I have also provided some links and some resources to getting started into freelancing. Do make sure you check out them in the description. The very third place to make money in the college is by participating into hackathon. Basically, hackathons are some kind of events where students participate in a competitive environment to solve some business problem, to solve some use case problems, to work on some dedicated cause, work on some dedicated business problems. There are different types of hackathons. Some hackathons are of coding hackathons, where you are required to solve a particular problem, a particular business problem. You are asked to build a system right from the scratch. So coding hackathons are a very great way to make money in the college. If you if you provide a better solution than other students, then your idea will be pitched up to some venture capitalist and you are able to see immense growth. You are able to make awesome monies. You are able to win hoodies, goodies, so many things in hackathons. So it will definitely boost your confidence in your particular domain. Some hackathons are of datathons, where you are provided with a data set and you are asked to build machine learning algorithms which based on that particular data, which help businesses to solve particular problem. Coding hackathons and data hackathons are like Google Code Jam, TCS, Code Vita, and Kaggle competition. These are some basic hackathons which pay students a very great amount than any internship or any other freelancing. I have provided some links and places of hackathons in the description. Do make sure you check them out. The very fourth way to make money in the college is by contributing in open source projects. There are lots of companies who are working on some projects and facing problems. So what they do is they make their particular problem open, so anybody else in the world can solve that particular problem, and if they are able to resolve that particular problem, then that particular company will pay them a very huge amount of money. So that will be unimaginable. You can contribute to so many open source projects. There are lots of open source projects on GitHub. You can contribute in those projects right from your college, right from your home while studying in the college. Some open source contribution projects are like GSOCs, where companies register themselves and you are required to solve that particular problem. You are able to build their entire system from scratch. You are asked to change its code. Basically, your goal is to resolve that particular problem. Then you are able to get paid. So it will definitely help you to make money in the college. I have provided some links and places of open source projects in the description. Do make sure you check them out. The very fifth place to make money in the college is by becoming a subject matter expert. You might have faced problems while submitting assignments and while running codes, and you are getting errors all the time, and you are asking to your friends, to your mentors. Sometimes they are able to resolve and sometimes they are not, because they are not the subject matter experts. Your friends are not at all. If they resolve your problem, they are not getting paid a single money from you. What if I tell you, you are able to get paid, you are able to make money by solving problems that you are facing in your education, by solving questions from your syllabus? Then you will not believe.
ये सब दोगलापन है. मैं तेरा दोगलापन उतारता हूँ अब.
Yes, it can be possible. I am making a very decent amount of money by becoming a subject matter expert. A subject matter expert is one who have a good knowledge in particular subject, but as a student we are not having good amount of knowledge, but we are learning. So we can analyze problems by our own mindset, by our own view. So you can solve that particular problem in a very detailed way. I am also a subject matter expert on Chegg. You can also register yourself on Chegg and on Bartleby and on some other websites as subject matter expert in different subjects. Basically, by becoming a subject matter expert, you are able to get access to the international academic subjects, international academic students who are asking questions on a regular basis. You are able to get access to the international academic exposure, and you are able to make immense money right from your home. I myself making money on Chegg from last 6 months. I myself registered on Chegg as a subject matter expert in computer science. I am getting questions in some subjects like Python, data science, machine learning, Java, and when I solved those particular problems, I got paid on those problems. Sometimes I got bonus and sometimes I not. But up to my current knowledge, Up to my current knowledge of second year, I'm not able to make $1,000, but there are some experts who are able to make $1,000 every single month. But up to my current knowledge, I am able to make a very decent amount of money, which is helping me to pay my college fees, to pay my expenses, to pay my internet bills, and so many things. So I am able to become independent from my parents by earning on Chegg. So you can also register, you can also do this by registering yourself on Chegg or on Bartleby or on any other website, and you are also able to do this right from your home. I have provided links of these websites in the description. Do make sure you check them out. I have provided so many things on the description. It is up to you to utilize them all. I hope you like this particular video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your all friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.